Hello and welcome to RV renovations, inventions, and restorations. Everything all RV. Today I am test camping my my new DC AC rig. So what I have here is 3 solar panels. These are Harbor Freight. It's a 200-watt set of 4. I broke one of the panels. So if you do buy these, spring for the warranty on them. They are semi-fragile. They're nice, lightweight, and they travel easy. These kickstands fold down nice and flat so that I can take the set of 2. I have those 2 bolted together, put them into my larger cabinet back there. This single one here can go up into this compartment, but a goat jumped on one of mine and broke it. So anyway, I have 3, so about 150 watts. So anyway, this it's a complete set from Harbor Freight in that it comes with the panels, the cords, connectors, and also the charge controller. And this is the charge controller up here. It's currently showing 12.2 volts. Status is charging. It's nice. These are DC, 12-volt DC barrel outlets. I had been using those for wireless security cameras. Now I'm using them for this. Also has 2 USB. Which is nice. You can charge your cell phone. This one here is to charge the wireless remote control for this power inverter. This is a 2,000 watt nominal power inverter. It's rated for 4,000 peak surge watts to start up like your air conditioner. So anyway, the solar is charging the and these this Harbor Freight rig comes with 2 nice alligator clips too, large ones that you clip directly onto your battery terminal. I have them wired up to the wing nuts on the DC deep cell. So solar charge controller charges back the battery, and the battery powers the DC AC inverter. I just installed all this earlier this week. This is my cord for my RV, my 30 amp. Reaches all the way from the back where they normally are up here to the front, which is great. I didn't have to do any custom wiring, just used my 30 amp RV adapter there and plugged it in, and yeah, it's working great. I'm super happy with it. The inverter can be turned on manually here and has a digital readout. Shows you the input and output, so you're seeing 12.4 volts battery voltage and 119 out. But the really cool thing extra bonus here is this wireless remote, handheld remote, which also shows you the same information as that display screen. But it can also power the inverter on and off. If I can figure out the key combination. I'm still playing with it. Sometimes I'm too impatient with it. You gotta hit power swap. And there it went. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's a bonus because I don't have to come out here to turn it on and off. It also has load sensing, so if it's not being used, it kind of goes into shuts itself off, and then as soon as it senses load, it comes back on. So what this does is it allows me to run my TV and other AC appliances. I did run my microwave off of it. I don't have enough battery. If the battery's totally topped off, I can run the microwave, do a bag of popcorn or something. But I can also charge my laptop up. The TV is a smart TV, so it streams through the hotspot on my phone. So now anywhere I have 4G, I can now watch TV. I use, there's all kinds of apps I use YouTube TV, which is a paid app. Has lots of shows and stuff. The one thing I wanted to mention is if you run a rig like this, make sure you find and switch off the circuit breaker for the power converter. This one is just labeled PC. It took me a while to figure out the right thing here. Otherwise, what happens is the inverter takes the DC power, turns it to AC, which powers this panel, which has a power converter, which takes the AC and charges the DC battery. So you're going to be in an endless loop of power drain there as it tries to recharge itself at a loss, and you're just going to be wasting power. So yeah, and then make a note and have a note on the steering wheel that notes that this breaker is switched off, so that I remember to turn it back on when I'm ready to roll. So if I go on generator or shore power, I charge my DC back up. All right, so that's it. Yeah, I'm camping, trying it out, and watched about, I don't know, an hour and a half of TV, ran the laptop. I still had plenty of power, and now I'm recharging with the solar because the sun came out. All right, so that's it, man. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun camping. It's a beautiful day.